Hi, amazing people, and very good morning. I am again here with the new topic. You can't change the direction of the wind, but you can adjust the sail. So, what the meaning of this topic? If you want to travel, if you want to go in your destinations, if wind is favor, it is means in the sail direction, then you will uh, uh, you will achieve your destinations on the time. But the wind is in unfavor, it is coming the on your opposite direction. On this situation, the sail you want to adjust a little bit so can you can reach your destinations, but it will take some times. My dear friend, what is the important of this topic in our real life? How can you correlate it, this topic in work life? I am giving the nomenclature of the wine. Wine represent that there is some external influence, external factors which is not in our control, like the wind. We cannot control. We cannot ask the wind that you will come in my favor. The boat meaning is that platform in our real life, in the work life, where we can stay, work very hard, and reach sometimes what we want to achieve in our life, and the destinations where you have to reach, what you have to achieve, and what you want to be the accomplish in your life. So this is the nomenclature, and if you knowing the nomenclature, there is some formula of the success which I really follow. Success means that real individual growth plus minus environmental factor, environmental aspect. Success is the like the definition in the nomenclature destinations. Real individual means platform, or plus minus environmental aspect means wind. See, if you wind, it means the environmental aspect if in your favor. If you are working very hard in your platform, then you will get your success. You will achieve your destinations. See, in this formula, the environmental aspect, what is the meaning of the external uh, influence, which is not in our control? Environmental aspect like the bad economics, slowdown, recession, job cut, salary cut. See, this is the meaning of the environmental aspect. So this not after after it will be the post COVID. We face this type of the situation in our country also. And how can you change? How can you adjust your boat? How can you adjust your platform? How can you adjust your real individual growth so that you will get the successful, you will be receive the destinations? See, adjusting your sail, it is require putting deliberate effort and deliberate efficiency, change the strategy, and adopt the new idea. Because the wind is not favor what we decided and what have the plan to make the successful, but due to unwanted situation which is not in our favor. But you have to also adjust your boat, you have to also adjust your real individual growth, then you have to achieve your destination, then you have to achieve the success. My dear friend, everyone has the dream in every life, and for the getting dream, for the successful dream, they have to work very hard. Sometimes we fail to reach our desired destination. Well, we have to face numerous issues to go through the several hardship to achieve our desired goal. Most of time the reason of our failure is unwanted situations. We cannot know what situation will be coming in the futures. Okay, but when it will come, then you have to, how can you will get the challenge, how can you change the strategy, how can you get your idea? It is totally upon you. We can change our idea. Sometimes we have to change. As for the changing, it requires a lot of effort, a lot of the strong willing power. Sometimes it will not possible, but due to your strong willing power, you can do. You have to change your family members, means There means you can adjust with a family member, you can adjust with your friend, your neighboring. So in this way, that if you can adjust, if you work hard, if you will plan to how can you come out from the unwanted situations, if you will be successful, then you will achieve your destination in your life. It will take some times, but surely it will be achieved. Thank you very much.